Hebrews
chapter 12,
chapter 12,
14 to
14 to
21.
21.
Strive for
Strive for
peace with everyone
peace with everyone
and for the
and
holiness
for the holiness
without which
without which
no one will see the Lord.
no one will see the Lord.
See to it
See to it
that no one fails to obtain
that no one fails to obtain
the grace of God,
the grace of God,
that no
that no
root of bitterness
root of bitterness
springs up
springs up
and causes trouble,
and causes trouble,
and by it many
and by it many
become defiled.
become defiled,
That no one is
that no one is
sexually immoral
sexually immoral
or
or
unholy
unholy
like Esau,
like Esau,
who sold
who sold
his
his
birthright
birthright
for a single meal.
for a single meal.
For you know that
For you know that
afterward,
afterward,
when he desired to inherit
then he desired to inherit
the blessing,
the blessing.
he was rejected,
He was rejected,
for he found
for he found
no chance to repent,
no chance to repent.
though he sought it with tears.
He saw it with tears.
For you have not come
For you have not come
to what may be touched,
to what may be touched,
a blazing fire
blazing fire
and darkness
and darkness
and gloom
and gloom
and a tempest
and the tempest
and the sound of trumpet
and the sound of trumpet
and a voice
and a voice
whose words made
whose words made
the hearers beg
the hearers beg
that no further messages
that no further messages
be spoken to them,
be spoken to them,
for they could not endure
for they could not endure
the order that was given.
the order that was given.
If even a beast
If even a beast
touches the mountain,
touches the mountain,
it shall be stoned.
it shall be stoned.
Indeed,
Indeed,
so terrifying
so terrifying
was the sight
by the sight
that Moses said,
that Moses said,
I tremble with fear.
I tremble with fear.